Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Chairman of Titra, James Huang.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In its nearly 40-year history, Qualcomm has set industry standards, created era-defining technology breakthroughs, and driven the smartphone revolution. Today, as digital transformation is happening everywhere, Qualcomm is reaching beyond the smartphone and looking to deliver intelligent computing everywhere. Their proven technologies have a place in accelerating digital transformation across major industries, and their Snapdragon branded platforms have the power to drive extraordinary customer experiences. President and CEO Cristiano Amon is an industry visionary. He has diversified the company to become the leader and preferred partner of choice for diverse industries like mobile, extended reality, and automotive. With the Snapdragon X series, Qualcomm is revolutionizing the PC experience as the exclusive platforms powering the new generation of Windows PC with Co-Pilot Plus. I'm very pleased to welcome my friend, Cristiano. But first, we are going to share a video.
Breathe in, breathe out. Let it all flow away.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the President and CEO of Qualcomm, Cristiano Amon.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. It's an incredible pleasure and honor to be here. Thank you.
Thank you, Cristiano.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Hello, everybody. Incredibly happy to be here at Taipei for Computex. This is actually my first keynote here at Computex. And I'm hopefully, based on what we're doing today, you're going to be probably see me more frequent into the future. But we're incredibly excited. This is a great moment for Qualcomm. Hope you like the video. It kind of represents our view about how defining this moment is for the personal computing industry. The entire video was shot on Snapdragon. Before I start my presentation, I'd like to acknowledge this incredible ecosystem and all of our partners. It has been a great journey to get to this point, and I always believe, and there's been a belief of our company, is never the job of one company to innovate. It's really the job of multiple companies to come together and create innovation, and this we have seen that with this great opportunity we have. Thank you for this great ecosystem. This is also graduation day for Qualcomm as a leader in compute. We have been saying that we're changing the company. Qualcomm is changing into a communications company, into a connected computing company, and now bringing really intelligence everywhere. It is great. It's great. It's actually flattering for Qualcomm to come to this new space and prove ourselves as a leader in compute and see all the competitors now benchmarking themselves against Qualcomm. That's kind of incredible, really, for us. We're incredibly proud. And I think as they talking about us, is recognition that we are delivering incredible technology to our partners. We're becoming a leader in compute. And I look at this particular day today here at Computex as graduation day for that part of Qualcomm. So let's start with the presentation. And the PC is truly reborn. It's a new era for the PC. And that is happening with the combination of Snapdragon X Elite and Co-Pilot Plus. We're really making history together, and the industry is actually taking notice. The Snapdragon X series and the Co-Pilot Plus, it's one of the most significant transitions in Windows. Personally, I believe is as significant as Windows 95. It is changing the experience, delivering groundbreaking AI capabilities, fundamentally changing how we interact with our PCs. And really, the industry is not only taking notice, but consumers are starting to take notice right now because the personal computing experience is being redefined. Users are now really pushing the boundaries of what's possible across productivity, creativity, entertainment. And what's interesting is Snapdragon X and Co-Pilot Plus are the only platforms capable of unlocking the full potential of next-generation AI, not only applications, but how we interact with our PC. And that's what we see that today. I think the whole industry is changing based on what Snapdragon X Elite and the Co-Pilot Plus can do. To the point that now the overall tendency is saying, many companies are saying, I'm going to have this too, because this is such a profound change. And it's all about delivering this whole new experience with multiple days of battery life, unparalleled performance, and the efficiency to accelerate productivity and creativity with pervasive AI. And this is happening in a broad way. That's what I say it's a big change. No wonder, I think we have here on stage those incredible devices. I have been in awe by the number of devices they're all been launching simultaneously with Co-Pilot Plus, all powered by the Snapdragon X Elite. But the Snapdragon X Elite is a platform that had actually been built for the new generation. We used to call it the next generation PC, but now it is the new generation PCs that are here right now. And not only the platform is being built to create this experience, but it's been optimized for this new workload enabled by Co-Pilot Plus. And it has all the benefits of running AI directly on a device. Everything that we've been saying, the ability to have low latency, increased responsiveness, you have incredible personalization as the computer knows you and gets to know you the more you use it, greater reliability and enhanced privacy. And with that, we've seen a number of new possibilities. Actually, I wanted to highlight a few as you look at the things that are now possible. You've probably seen that right now with the great new use cases they're presented by Microsoft across productivity, creativity, entertainment. The AI transforms the interfaces, transforms the workflows. It accelerates content creation by an order of magnitude. The experiences become more context-aware and they're personalized to you. One that we like a lot, which made the PC a communication device, mobile conferencing more and more becomes lifelike. Immersive multimedia is not a feature, it's the standard on a Co-Pilot Plus PC. It is designed for security, you see the emergence of hybrid AI when the eye in the cloud and the AI on the device are working together as one. You see a revolution how you think about developer innovation and many of the elements of a convergence of mobile and PC. The only one I didn't talk about it is on this page, and of course, multiple days of battery life. This is, I think, the Qualcomm signature capability, given our heritage of operating with battery-powered devices. All of this that is happening, I think in this whole presentation, the money slide is this slide. This is the money slide, which is just on the first wave, you see incredible devices. And that's just the first wave. 22 Co-Pilot Plus PCs powered by Snapdragon X Elite and Snapdragon X Plus. They were announced from leading global OEMs. It includes Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Microsoft, and Samsung. Couple comments. Number one is what we said. Co-Pilot Plus can come to life today because of Snapdragon X Elite, Snapdragon X Plus, and the ability to develop this platform to this moment. Second, there is a Co-Pilot Plus PC for everyone. The wait is over. And that's what I say, next generation PC is now the new generation PC available today. But that's just the first wave. And it's incredible, but there's more. Snapdragon X and Co-Pilot Plus are coming to all PC form factors. Qualcomm is now in this neighborhood to stay. We're not going anywhere, and we're very happy to be working with our partners in all the different form factors for the industry. And this is incredibly exciting because PC is truly reborn, and that's a great transition. Now, as we go down the presentation, there's something else we want to talk about, which has come as part of this incredible transformation of the PC, but it's a good story. It's really a good story, which is we're restoring performance leadership to the Windows ecosystem. So if you step back, the Snapdragon X Elite in the Co-Pilot Plus really establishes overall industry leadership in personal computing. And within that process, you see not only the innovation and performance leadership clearly now belongs in the Windows ecosystems, with completely new AI capabilities, completely new experiences, and basically it becomes the platform where innovation is happening. And this is a very big deal. And there is no better person in the whole industry to tell you what it actually means. So I would like to share a quick word from our dear friend Satya, which was so kind to create this video for us.
Thank you so much, Cristiano. It's great to be with you at Computex, especially at such an important moment in the history of technology, where every layer of the tech stack is being transformed because of AI. As you said, the PC is being reborn and it's changing what consumers can expect from their devices across productivity, creativity, communications, and entertainment. Last month, we announced Co-Pilot Plus PCs, the fastest, most intelligent Windows PCs ever built. They represent an inflection point for our entire industry. And it's only possible because of the partnership with Qualcomm. More than 20 Co-Pilot Plus PCs powered by Snapdragon X series are already available for pre-order from both Surface and other device partners. They deliver exceptional battery life, leading performance per watt, and the world's fastest NPU for laptops at 45 TOPS. And they make possible breakthrough experiences like Recall and Co-Creator and everything developers will build with the new Windows Copilot runtime. I cannot wait to see what customers do with these capabilities, and I'm greatly looking forward to how we continue to build this new PC era together. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much, Satya. We couldn't be prouder of the partnership and what we'd accomplished together. I'm going to tell you more about our partnership with Microsoft during today's presentation. Look, as we look into this, and we've been talking about X Elite and Co-Pilot Plus, we need to talk about what is going to be at the center of this experience, which is the generative AI revolution. And what I like about this, we've been talking about this, it's really changing all the devices. And it's evolving on the devices in the cloud in different way, but it's fundamentally really changing how we work with our devices, and especially in the PC, how we work with the PC. The impact will be significant. The AI use cases that we now look at them today and we find them very interesting, they will actually become indispensable for both personal and business applications. And one thing is going to be different about this new PC. Unlike the past, your Windows PC will get better over time. And I want to show you a video of what is possible as we think about Gen AI changing the computer interface in the capabilities of those devices.
You seem busy right now, but Elite Care Appliance has diagnosed the issue with your dishwasher. Would you like me to handle this while you're at your client lunch?
Although, if the repair cost is close to our budget for a new dishwasher, let's replace it.
The repair cost is reasonable, but it's within 10% of the cost of a new dishwasher.
If they can match the price from the one Laura sent to me last week, make the purchase, schedule it, and message Laura with the delivery date.
I really love this new song. Is it a good one for our lesson?
This is a great choice. It'll help with the chords you've been working on.
I'll remove the guitar track so you can play along.
Ready to go?
That sounds great. Let's work on your finger positions. Nice progress. Keep working on these points.
And you can check in with me anytime.
Alex said he wanted to meet today. Find 30 minutes on our calendars and send him the latest budget spreadsheet. Hi, everyone.
Hey, canala harame.
여러분 반갑습니다. 이제
Perdón, hay mucho ruido por acá. Just let me know if I need to go on mute.
Let's get started.
So it's official. We moved the launch from New York to Seoul. Videos are #1. Let's look at that.
Drop in the new cityscape shot.
We found a great reference. It's brighter, more joyful.
I love that. AI assistant, replace the product shots with the ones we got yesterday. Then send a link of the latest draft. Let's move on.
Look, it's really great, and I think the idea here is to show some of the things that are starting to happen. They can happen, but the interesting thing is we're just at the beginning. We're just at the beginning, and it starts with Snapdragon X and the Co-Pilot Plus. Co-Pilot Plus PCs, powered by Snapdragon, are the fastest, most intelligent Windows PCs ever built with AI integrated throughout the system. And this whole AI experience, we talk about it, it was the right time to talk about what is behind all of this in the Snapdragon X Elite, which is the NPU. You know, I can't tell you how much I like this, because actually, NPU that we innovated within Snapdragon, and it came to life with a number of use cases with the Co-Pilot Plus, to the point that its processing capability, especially the efficient processing capability for AI, is what made it that Co-Pilot Plus could actually only run right now on Snapdragon X Elite. It became a term that the entire industry is now talking about it. We really like it. It's an incredible position to be in, to come to new industry with a new technology, and everybody's now going to benchmark about this. But the good thing is not about the benchmarking. The good thing is what it actually enables. And when you think about Co-Pilot Plus and an AI on device, the AI needs to run all the time. It needs to run all the time, all day long. And from use cases like image generation to some use cases, they're always going to be in the background. So with Snapdragon X Elite, we're delivering the world's fastest NPU for laptops at 45 TOPS. But it has also the leading performance per watt. Interesting that people want to talk about TOPS, but they also need to talk about watts, because it's actually very, very important. And one thing that we did, because AI is so transformative in Windows, we actually, when we're talking about different tiers and price points for laptops, we decided not to compromise on AI. So both the Snapdragon X Elite as the X Plus have the same AI capability for that experience. But the exciting thing is really when we talk about performance per watt. So not only is the fastest, but it's the most power efficient. And here are some of the metrics for you to see. It's 2.6 times the performance per watt versus the M3. It is 5.4 times the performance per watt versus Core Ultra 7. So this is very important, because for you to actually have the benefit of this new intent-based proactive OS that is helping all the time, the AI needs to run continuously. And you have to have 3 dimensions: speed, power consumption, and of course, thermals, especially for a laptop. So it's interesting. I also want to show you an example what that means. So we run this case. I want to show you. Thinking about AI running all the time. Sustained NPU performance. 1 hour of continuous usage. Once the Snapdragon X Elite has 5x the performance, you can see the thermal image, which shows the difference temperature at the device and how you think about cooling and everything. Now, this is just one of the many examples. There are some great videos out there. I actually encourage you to check a video that was presented by Microsoft. I believe it's on LinkedIn. That shows on AI running on a GPU versus running on X Elite NPU. The difference in temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, which is very significant. So, speaking of Microsoft, and I told you I'll mention more about this great relationship we have with Microsoft. This has been an incredible partnership. And we have been on this journey since the beginning of Qualcomm building devices for the Windows ecosystem. We have to do a lot of work together to get to this point, and it's a big transformation moment, not only for Qualcomm, but also for Microsoft. And this partnership was actually designed, we worked together as one team to take intelligent computing to the whole next level. So to tell you more about it, I would like to introduce on stage Pavan from Microsoft, our great friend and partner. Please welcome Pavan.
It is lovely to be here.
Give me a hug, man. This is a big moment.
Absolutely.
Thank you. It's really incredible. As I said before, this is a great moment for us. I know it's a great moment for Microsoft as well,
Absolutely.
For the Windows. So why don't you tell everybody about it?
We have an incredible partnership together. That is for sure, Cristiano. And I'm deeply grateful to be here with you all at Computex today. It is tremendous to see the energy in the room. Microsoft just announced a new category of PCs for AI that we call the Co-Pilot Plus PCs that you just mentioned. And we're very excited that they are coming first on the Snapdragon X series processors. And as you mentioned, Cristiano, these are the fastest, most performant, the most intelligent PCs we've ever built. We've had the deep collaboration with Qualcomm through the entire generation to build these Snapdragon X series of chips. And we're thrilled to not only have done this at the device level, but have done it at the silicon level, at the OS level. In fact, as you know, we rebuilt Windows 11 from the inside out to take full advantage of the power and efficiency of Snapdragon X processors.
Look, I really like to talk about this partnership, especially how this whole been built from the ground up. So we talk about this technology, we talk about revolutionizing the PC with Co-Pilot Plus PCs, but what does the user experience look like?
Yeah, that's a great question. First, these are simply outstanding PCs. Users will experience just incredible speed and responsiveness of the machine, and like you mentioned, just great battery life, something I think customers expect from their modern devices today. And that's because the Snapdragon X series has powerful CPUs and powerful NPUs with the incredible leading 45 TOPS you talked about, but very importantly at industry-leading efficiency levels. When it comes to AI, we've set out to make computing radically more human and more natural. Recall, that you mentioned earlier, lets you search what you've seen on your PC semantically just the way your memories work.
It's incredible.
Co-Creator in Paint lets you generate real-time images by drawing with AI. Restyle in Photos lets you turn your PC into your own assistant photo editor. I love Studio Effects. They let you add effects for voice focus and portrait light. They bring your camera and mic and audio system to life. In fact, Teams and Zoom and WhatsApp are using them today. The power and efficiency of Snapdragon X allows us to do all of this on device, which means faster response times, better privacy, of course, lower costs. And we're doing all of this in a way that reflects Microsoft's commitments to responsible AI principles.
And how are developers, now that they get these incredible machines, how do they take advantage of Snapdragon and Co-Pilot Plus PCs?
Yeah, developers, I think, are central to how we think about the future of the PC ecosystem for sure. They've been a place of strength for the Windows ecosystem. And for us, when it comes to developers taking advantage of it, one of the things that we built was the Windows Copilot runtime. The Windows Copilot runtime allows developers to access all of these new AI capabilities we've built into Windows. And at Microsoft Build, we highlighted how some of our developers, DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, for example, are using the Windows Copilot runtime and the Snapdragon NPUs to give creators faster, more powerful tools. And I found that very, very inspiring. We're particularly excited about the work that we're doing with Adobe, bringing the Creative Cloud experience native to Copilot Plus PCs. And of course, with our new Prism emulator, every app will run great on Copilot Plus devices. The Windows Copilot runtime that Satya also referenced gives developers access to this library of APIs for accessing over 40 on-device models. That includes Phi Silica, Microsoft's small language model, built from the powerful Phi series of models. What's really exciting for us with the Snapdragon X series is that it's the first platform on Windows that has this state-of-the-art SLM built into the operating system, built into the product, custom built for the NPU, shipping out of the gate. And so in my mind, this is just the start of the journey.
I agree. It's just a start. But it's not, it's all about incredible devices. And Snapdragon is powering Surface devices.
Yeah.
Can you tell everyone what you're actually bringing out in Surface?
That's absolutely right. We have a new Surface Pro and a new Surface laptop powered by the Snapdragon X series, available for pre-order now. For us, they are the most powerful laptop and Pro we have ever built, with the longest battery life we've ever had. They're packed with a whole bunch of new features. I'm very proud of the work that the team has done. Everything from OLED HDR display to the new Flex keyboard on the Surface Pro so you can work detached. And of course, as you'd expect, Copilot Plus experiences are great on a Surface, including a lot of the creative experiences you shared earlier that take advantage of both touch and ink. We've worked closely with Qualcomm to engineer this product over the last couple of years. We're deeply grateful for it. And really, in my mind, Snapdragon X series gives them the power and the efficiency they need to shine. As you know, Cristiano, both Microsoft and Qualcomm are committed to an open ecosystem. We have lived this value and principles through our partnership with a wide range of devices, the very ones you showed earlier. We're excited that it's not only Surface, but all of the Snapdragon X PCs are coming from a wide range of leading OEM partners. I myself have been using the devices over the last few months, and I can't wait for all of our customers to get their hands on them on June 18th.
This is an incredible story. I think, Pavan, we're so happy and proud of this partnership. Thank you for being with us on this journey. I can't thank you enough for being here with us, and we're super excited about this new Copilot Plus transition of Windows.
Thank you very much, Cristiano. Thank you for the partnership. I'm grateful for it.
Thank you.
And then just one last thing, if you wouldn't mind. I absolutely love those shoes.
Oh, we're going to send you one.
You are rocking those Copilot ones.
We're going to send you one.
They're fantastic.
It's Snapdragon and Copilot Plus. Thank you. Look, it's a great story. We can barely contain our excitement about the incredible things we can do together, but we have more to tell you. And we talk about performance. In Snapdragon X Elite, one of the jobs that we wanted to do is to actually bring performance leadership to the Windows ecosystem. The X Elite starts by being the new performance leader for Windows. And it's about delivering the experiences without sacrificing battery life, but also create a whole new experience of multi-day battery life. And the data shows. So this is how we talk about performance. Orion CPU is 51% faster at ISO power, and it matches competitor peak performance at 65% less power. And I think this is an incredible achievement that allows our partners in Microsoft to build those incredible devices with this whole new experiences, innovating also on form factor, innovating on the experience of the battery life, and have everything incredibly fast. So while the X Elite is the new performance leader in the Windows ecosystem, that wasn't our job. Our job is to bring leadership overall to the Windows ecosystem in the Co-Pilot Plus PC. So X Elite is the new performance leader, period. So comparing against the Apple M3, 2.6 times superior NPU performance per watt, 2 times the NPU performance, 35% more memory bandwidth, which is incredibly important for AI, 28% multi-threaded CPU performance, and battery life. Video is one example. So this is incredibly exciting time, and for Qualcomm, it's really an incredible position for a company that has never got any credit for being a computing company. But I think to come in with X Elite at this transition of Windows and being the performance leader is a great position for us to be, and it's very encouraging because it's just the beginning. But rather than you hear about me talking about the chips and the performance, I think we're about time we need to talk about the experience and the devices. And because we're really reimagining some of the experiences on the PC, delivering them today. And we're going to have a number of incredible partners coming on stage. I'm actually going to start by welcome a great partner, which has been a great engineering company, has been a company with a lot of innovation in the PC, which is ASUS. I'd like to welcome SY from ASUS onto the stage. Please welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you
I
very much.
really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Great to have you here with us.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hello, everyone. At ASUS, we have been huge admirers of Qualcomm's innovative mobile chipsets, especially the cutting-edge Qualcomm Orion cores and the powerful NPUs in the Snapdragon platform. These advancements have resulted in many incredible products. At ASUS, we believe in empowering users with choice. That's why our Snapdragon X Elite powered PC lineup caters to demanding professionals seeking the absolute best performance. We have also included the Snapdragon X Plus option for mobile users who prioritize exceptional battery life. 2 weeks ago, the ASUS VivoBook S15 became our first AI PC. The built-in AI engine unlocks incredible AI experiences, supercharging tasks like photo editing, video creation, and more, all while providing enhanced security and privacy. We have meticulously designed our system to maximize the potential of the Snapdragon X Elite while maintaining outstanding efficiency. This includes leveraging Qualcomm's pioneering work in power efficiency. For example, our VivoBook S15 boasts a powerful 70-watt battery, allowing users to stay productive all day without needing to be plugged in. Snapdragon X Elite also unlocks incredible AI experiences. We are working on features like AI-powered noise cancellation for video calls, real-time background replacement during video conferencing, and smart object selection in photo editing software. We are also exploring AI-powered content creation tools and intelligent assistants to streamline workflows. A great example is our ASUS exclusive apps, StoryCube, the smartest, most convenient, and powerful way to manage your digital assets. Our collaboration with Qualcomm is just the beginning of this exciting journey. The future of personal computing is set to be incredible, and ASUS is proud to be shaping it with Qualcomm. Thank you very much.
Thank you, SY. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate. Thank you. Those are really incredible devices and experience. Thank you again, ASUS. And I am going to pick up the pace here because we have a lot to cover. I need to ask you one important favor. Don't leave before the end. We're going to have something funny and interesting at the end. So if you get tempted to leave it, I'm going to do everything to finish on time, but don't leave it. Wait until the end. Well, we talk a lot about battery life. So let's keep talking about battery life because it's a big deal. Let me show you what that means. So X Elite, breakthrough battery life. When you look about video playback, video calls, video streaming, you can see some of the metrics. This is a comparison against the Intel Ultra 7, 60% longer video playback. Video calls, which we do a lot, 70% longer, video streaming 2x longer. Let me show what that means. We're going to show you an accelerated video of what actually 2x battery life means. Okay, it is, at the end of the day, when you look at all the different specs, this is really what it matters. Temperature matters, battery life matters, and real performance matters. And I think that's very exciting, for users. Let's continue to show you great devices and experience. There's another great partner that we have here with us. There's another great company that have embraced the innovation of AI, the Co-Pilot Plus and the Snapdragon X Elite. I welcome on stage Jason Chen from Acer. Jason,
hi, how you doing?
Thank you.
Cristiano.
Very happy you're here with us.
Well, I don't have the comparable shoes.
I will get you one.
Oh, promise. All right. Hi, everyone. Good to be here. I'm happy to be here, and I'm delighted to be invited on the stage today. Acer has a long history with Qualcomm on the business relationship already. For the new AI era, we're excited to work with Qualcomm to build our next and the real AI PC, Co-Pilot Plus PC with Snapdragon X platform. This product will be up to 26 hours of video playback, 14.5-inch touch screen, and exclusive Acer AI apps, including audio, video conference, whatever the previous speaker talked about, we have them all. And Acer is focused on evolving the user experience for PC usage model. We're excited about enhancing that user experience using Snapdragon X Elite, especially on the power consumption area. So as I talked about that earlier, 26 hours for video playback. And we are very happy to introduce Co-Pilot Plus PC on our flagship, swift, sleek design laptop PC. This is just the beginning. We look forward to continuing and expanding Acer and Qualcomm's partnership, paving the way for the next era of computing industry. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Jason. Really appreciate it.
Shoes.
I'll get you a shoe. I think there's a lot of people asking. We may start that business. Maybe another diversification opportunity, I think, for Qualcomm. Thank you again. I think Jason and Acer. Well, one of the obvious things that we've been busy at work with Microsoft is to make sure that we'll have all of your apps better and faster in those PCs. We've been very busy working with the entire ecosystem, getting many apps optimized natively on the new instruction set for X Elite, and the results be really incredible. The message here is all the apps that you use are here. And if you're going to experience them never before with not only incredible performance, but new AI experience. It includes everything you would expect it. Of course, the entire Office 365 suite, Google Chrome, Spotify, Zoom, many more. And I think this is a process that we wanted to get to this day. Not only having the Windows you know with all the apps you use, but this whole new experience enabled by AI and the Co-Pilot Plus. Now we talk about apps and we talk about speeds. One thing that is often used to determine speed of those devices is web browsing. So we thought it would be a good day today to show you, as those devices are now launching, how the web browsing really works on X Elite. And I wanted to present this to you. I want to describe it. It is the fastest web browser in its class. Some statistics versus the Ultra 7, 20% faster on Chrome, 57% faster on Edge. Against AMD, you see 39% faster, 35% on Edge. And look, web browsing is one of the things we do every day. So it's about really delivering speed on every single use case. Now, as we talk about applications, one of the things I wanted to show is some of those applications that are being developed using the Co-Pilot Plus. You know, we talk about the capabilities of the platform. We talk a lot about this NPU engine. And then how, as a developer, you can come up with some new use cases that actually go into a very specific example to all of you. So I specifically picked this example I'm going to show you next, because when we started this, one of the first things we did with NPU, in terms of dealing with voice and noise, you remember the launch of Microsoft Windows Studio Effects. That you're on a Teams call, and you can significantly eliminate any background noise. But I wanted to show another example of that, of the NPU in action. So we have an application here for you, which is DJ Pro, that has been using the NPU to isolate different components of the music and show what it actually means. Take a look. This is really cool.
Hey, it's DJ Angelo from Algorithm, creators of the award-winning music mixing app DJ Pro. On Snapdragon X Elite, Windows users can expect unprecedented precision and low latency when performing live. The dedicated NPU sets new standards for speed and audio quality for the most demanding tasks, like our neural mix source separation technology, allowing DJs to isolate and manipulate vocals, drums, and instruments of any song in real time for endless creativity.
Dump in the gut, raw from the giddy up. Dump in the gut, raw from the giddy up. Dump in the gut, raw from the
Baby, not addicted. You're addicted to wanting.
This is the best experience of DJ Pro on Windows laptops, made possible thanks to Snapdragon X Elite.